fire started, you came blazing into my life. You said you'd be better than a husband or a wife. First you burned all the scariness from my eyes, and then I'd find out a brand new surprise. But there's a reason why you came into my life. I didn't know it yet, but you helped me to survive. And all the angsty shit that clouded up my dreams, you went and burned it all away. Welcome to my bonfire day. That's also fire.